guys, what's going on? I'm Jordan with Big Boy Toys. Today I want to talk about a recall that I came across. This recall is for the ReadyLift suspension system, which is a very popular kit. I read about them all the time in the Facebook group forums and the internet forums. This particular recall is going to involve both the Ford Super Duty F-150 as well as the Dodge Rams. So from what I'm reading, it sounds like they got a bad batch of bolts. These bolts can snap and basically cause the lift kit to separate from the vehicle, potentially causing a very bad crash, which could cause serious injury or death. So it's a quite big range of vehicles that they're covering, well, at least years anyway. To start off with, it's the 2005 to 2016 Ford Super Duties, the 2017 to 2021 Super Duties, and these are 250s and 350s. Also the 2015 to 2020 F-150s, and finally the 2019 to 2021 Ram 1500. So I'm going to go over this recall, let you guys know what it's about, what you need to do, and how to take care of it. So let's get started. Okay guys, I got this first article from Consumer Affairs. This is the ReadyLift recall, ReadyLift lift kits. And I want to give credit to James Limbaugh, who is the reporter. I'm also going to show you some more information here in a minute, which goes over the kits with the part numbers and individual vehicles that are affected, or individual lift kits that are affected. So this one is the ReadyLift. ReadyLift is recalling 1,844 ReadyLift lift kits designed to fit certain model year 2019 to 2021 Dodge Ram 1500s, 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s, 2005 to 2016 Ford Super Duties, and 2017 to 2021 Ford F-250s and 350s. It's saying certain bolts within the lift kits may not have been heat treated properly, which can cause them to break. Broken bolts may cause separation of the suspension lower control arm, radius arm, relocation bracket, or the cross member from the frame or chassis. Separated suspension components can cause loss of vehicle control or create a road hazard, increasing the risk of a crash. What to do? ReadyLift will work with their distributors to notify owners, and dealers will replace the bolts free of charge. The recall is expected to begin in March 2021. Owners may contact customer service at 1-800-549-4620. Okay, so the next documentation I wanted to show you, and if you Google this, you guys can find information on your own as well, but this one in particular comes from Canada. And no, I am not Canadian. I'm located in Arizona. But they seem to have more information and better information on this. So this one's dated April 8th of 2021. It says ReadyLift. Summary is ReadyLift brand lift kits. Bolt failure could result in separation from the frame or chassis, which could potentially cause a loss of vehicle control. Coming down, it says this recall involves ReadyLift brand lift kits containing the M18 class 10.9 bolt in size ranging from 130 millimeters to 150 millimeters in length. And if you come down here, the hazard identified, I found this interesting. So it says if a substandard bolt remains undetected, it could lead to loss of clamp load, potentially resulting in separation of the suspension lower control arms, radius arm, relocation bracket, or cross member from the frame or chassis, which could potentially cause a loss of vehicle control. So what I'm thinking is that if these bolts were not heat treated right, and a lot of times, when they heat treat steel, they basically heat it up and cool it down really quick, and it makes the bolt very hard. But it also can make them brittle if it's done too much. And I'm thinking that's probably what happened, because if these bolts are snapping, then basically you have no clamp force. They're coming off, and then it's causing a potential component of this lift kit to separate from the vehicle, which could be a big problem going down the road. So up here, if you notice this, so this actually gives the actual kits that are affected. So if you see here, it's got the part number on the left, 44-1960 for the 6-inch lift kit Dodge Ram 1500, 2019 to 2021 model year. The next one, 442575K, 7-inch lift kit for the Ford F-150, model year 2015 to 2020. The next one, 442576, 7-inch lift kit, Ford F-150, model year 2015 to 2020. Again, 442576 LS, 7-inch lift kit, Ford F-150, model year 2015 to 2020. Next one is for the Super Duty, 672550 radius arm bracket kit, Ford Super Duty, 2005 to 2016. I thought that was that's a big range of years right there. Next one, 69-2735, which is the 3.5-inch lift kit, which that is probably a very popular lift kit. You don't see too many of the 7-inch lift kits. You see a lot of these 3.5 inches, a lot of 2s, a lot of 3.5, and I think the 4s are probably pretty popular too, but luckily they're not on this recall. And that's for model 2017 to 2021. And the next part number is 69-2736, another 3.5-inch lift, again for the Ford Super Duty F-250 and 350, model year 2017 and 2021. And over here they have pictures of the actual bolt packs. And you can see this up here, it says 441960. If you come over here, you can see 441960. So these are the actual pictures of the bolt packs. And you can see these bolts here are the ones that I think they're probably having the problems with. They're probably bagged like this. And they have some other pictures of some of the other hardware packs involved. So again, they have the number down here. And I know I said this was from Canada, but this is the same number from the other website, so it's probably good. It is the ReadyLift Suspension Incorporated, number 1-800-549-4620. Call from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. So yeah, that's pretty much the recall, guys. I just want to get this information out there to you because I know these ReadyLift lift kits are very, very popular. I hear about them all the time, so I know a lot of you have them. And if this is a kit that you have, then I would definitely check to see if you have these kit numbers. And obviously, like a lot of you probably, especially these 2005, where's it at, 2015 to 2016, there's probably a lot of you that have vehicles in that range that you bought used, and it probably has that lift kit on there, so it might be a little harder because you're not going to be able to know these bracket numbers. But either way, these part numbers. But either way, I'd definitely call in and check with ReadyLift, and hopefully they can identify what you have and get these bolts changed out. And if I was in this range here, I would really want to get it done soon because, I mean, think about it. We're in 2021. If you had a 2005, you're already 16 years into it. Those bolts potentially being under your vehicle, stretching, and might be on the verge of snapping. So get this taken care of as soon as you can, guys. It is a safety issue. So, yeah, hopefully this was good information for you guys. And please like and subscribe. I have a bunch of other vehicles that you guys might find interesting. But, yeah, on to the next video. Take care. Thanks.